जिंदगी काफी नहीं है मराओ musipa kusita. Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti, and with the party season right around the corner, I am super excited for Christmas and New Year's and all of that comes in between. So I thought this would be the best time to show you guys a very easy peasy beginner's party look. I know that a lot of you guys might be probably dipping your toes into makeup right now. So this is definitely something that you guys could try at home if you don't have any clue of where to begin and what products to use. And shout out to Maybelline for partnering up with me on this video. I am absolutely in love with everything that I'm going to show you guys in this video. So this is the makeup look that I came up with. It's very easy peasy, simple. It's not very complicated. So if you want to know how I got this makeup look, please keep watching.
Starting off with a clean and moisturized face, because that goes a long way in how your base is going to look. Starting off with the Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless Primer. This is the perfect choice for anyone with oily to combination skin, which is what my skin type is. They also have a dewy plus smooth variant, which is better for, say, dry to combination skin. But because I have oily skin, I opted for the matte and poreless one. This extends makeup wear, is formulated with mattifying minerals to control shine for up to 16 hours and gives my base the perfect canvas to begin my foundation. Next up is my Holy Grail foundation. This is the Fit Me foundation in the shade 330. This was one of the first foundations that came out with 18 plus shades to fit diverse Indian skin tones, because I remember back in the day getting a foundation that fit my skin tone was such a huge issue. This contains SPF 22 and also gives 18 hours of oil control and gives a very natural coverage. And oh my god, can you see how beautiful that looks? This color match for me is like absolute perfection. Next up, I'm going to show you a quick hack to make your base makeup last throughout the night. I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me setting spray and spritz it all over my face. This is a great hack if especially you have oily combination skin. The Fit Me setting spray is made up of witch hazel and gives a beautiful matte finish. This will really help to make your makeup long lasting. After we are done with this, heading straight to concealer, I'm using the Fit Me concealer in the shade 310. I'm using this as a brightening concealer just around, the inner corners of my eye, around my mouth, because this is where I personally have a lot of pigmentation. The best thing to do with concealer is to let it sit on your face for about, say, 10 seconds or so and then blend it. This gives you really high coverage, and because the formula of this Fit Me concealer is really lightweight and oil-free, this blends like a dream. After I'm done with this, we lock it all in with the Fit Me pressed powder. I'm using the shade 330, and this has perlite mineral technology which absorbs oil to mattify skin. If you're also like me and have oily skin, a mattifying pressed powder is absolute must. It's also something that you can throw in your purse and use for touch-ups. This again really helps with the longevity of the makeup and gives your face that smooth finish. After we are done with that, we have to add a little color to our cheeks, and I'm going to use the new Fit Me blush in the shade 50 Passionate. This adds a beautiful flush of color. This is such a pigmented, beautiful, blendable formula. As you can see, it's not streaky or chalky, and it's very, very flattering on dusky Indian skin tones. It lasts up to 16 hours and they have multiple shades, so I'm sure you can find something that suits your skin tone. And now that my base makeup is done, I'm going to quickly go finish my eyes, and ta-da! This is me fully done. I've kept my eyes very minimal, very, very simple, and have actually let my skin do all the talking. After we are done with our face, of course, we need to again go in with our trusted Fit Me setting spray to lock all the beautiful goodness that we have done on our face, because we need it to last a really long time. This doesn't clog your pores and gives 24 hours oil control, which is an oily girl's best friend, and you are ready to rock the party, my girl.
So yes, that is it. This is me in my diva mode on, and diva is also sleeping right there. For me personally, right now, I am loving, beautiful, radiant, flawless skin. And honestly, the look has turned out so beautiful that I am just kind of sad that I don't have a party to go to right away. So yes, that is the video for today. I am honestly loving this look. Like my skin looks so beautiful. थू 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 तुम लोग भी उधर से ना थू 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 ऐसे बोलना हाँ. I will leave a link to all of the products mentioned in the video in the description box, so definitely check it out. If you really want, like, if there's just one thing that you buy from this, definitely try out the Maybelline foundation. I feel like it's such a beautiful color match, and also the blush is so beautiful for tan, dusky Indian skin tones. I feel like it's honestly perfection, and the fact is that they are all very, very affordable, so you can definitely build your beginner's kit with these Maybelline products and it will not even break your bank. So if you are a beginner, this is not going to break your pocket, and at the same time you're getting really quality good products, which is the most important thing when you are choosing the right makeup for yourself. And yes, subscribe to my channel, duh, if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah. ये एक जिंदगी काफी नहीं है मरापो मुसीपा गुसीता I don't know the lyrics but I'm having fun.